Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Demolishing a house is a significant undertaking, and understanding the costs involved is crucial for any homeowner or investor considering such a project. On average, the cost to demolish a single-family house can range dramatically, typically falling between $5,000 and $30,000. But complex projects can easily exceed $50,000. This wide range isn't arbitrary. It's influenced by a multitude of factors that are essential to consider when budgeting. The primary determinant is often the size of the house. A small 1,000 square foot home will cost considerably less to demolish than a sprawling 3,000 square foot residence due to the increased labor, equipment time, and waste disposal required. Location also plays a vital role, as labor rates, permit fees, and landfill tipping fees vary significantly from one city or state to another. For instance, demolition in a high-cost-of-living urban area will almost certainly be more expensive than in a rural setting. The materials used in the house's construction are another critical factor. The presence of hazardous materials like asbestos or lead-based paint can dramatically inflate costs, often adding several thousands of dollars, as these require specialized handling, abatement procedures, and certified disposal, which are both time-consuming and expensive. Accessibility to the site is also key. If the house is difficult to reach for heavy machinery, or if it's tightly situated between other structures, manual labor might be necessary, increasing both time and expense. Furthermore, the type of foundation, whether it's a simple slab, a crawl space, or a full basement, will impact the demolition cost, with basements typically being the most expensive to remove and backfill. Utility disconnection, including water, sewer, gas, and electricity, must be professionally handled and often requires separate coordination with utility companies, incurring additional fees and ensuring safety before demolition can commence. Permit fees are non-negotiable and vary based on local regulations and the scope of the project, often requiring a detailed plan submission. Waste disposal is a major component of the overall cost, as tons of debris must be transported to landfills or recycling facilities. The distance to these sites and their respective tipping fees directly influence your budget. Some contractors offer deconstruction services where salvageable materials like lumber, fixtures, or bricks are carefully removed for reuse or resale, which can sometimes offset a small portion of the demolition cost. Though deconstruction itself is often more labor-intensive and thus pricier upfront than a straight demolition. Always obtain multiple detailed quotes from licensed and insured demolition contractors, ensuring they itemize costs for labor, equipment, permits, hazardous material abatement, and debris removal. Be wary of unusually low bids, as they might indicate corner cutting or hidden fees. Unforeseen issues such as discovering an old, buried oil tank or contaminated soil can also lead to significant unexpected expenses, so it's wise to have a contingency fund. Ultimately, a thorough site assessment by experienced professionals is the best way to get an accurate estimate for your specific house demolition project. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more home improvement insights.